guys.
Rapunzel.
Morning, guys. It is. I don't know when the last time I vlogged, but today is the 29th, is it? 29th.
Yeah, and it's 1 p.m.
And it's Wednesday.
And we're just getting out of the house.
Yeah. But we're in Gothenburg, Sweden.
It's lovely.
We're gonna go hit the town. Is that what it is? Hit the streets.
We're gonna go find some churches or something.
Yeah. Look how cute the little house is. How are you feeling, Isla?
I'm feeling energetic because I had like a lot of hours of sleep, but I'm not showing it at the moment, but I will.
Me too. Because I had 3 little cups of coffee. But look at those stairs. Hello guys, we've been walking the streets of Sweden. We've made it to a and we're gonna go inside.
And look, it says 0 to 24-year-olds not allowed.
Oh. Oh.
It's okay.
It's okay, we're 24 today.
Hi guys.
We are walking the streets.
Still.
And there's look at the little lights. It's so cute. So cute. And more. Cute. And more. That's where we were before. And they're talking about tattoos. What tattoo are you guys getting?
We're gonna get a snowflake.
Yeah. Where are you putting it?
That's a good question.
I'm gonna put mine here.
I think I want it on my foot, but I also want like a. I was thinking like of having one on my ankle, but on my ankle I wanted like originally like a beach or like a wave or something. Having a snowflake is like.
Yeah.
That'd be
Slip it
really
on.
cool.
Exactly, but I was like maybe on both ankles, so it's like on a beach, you know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see. Or on the back of my toe.
Oh yeah.
When no one will ever see it, but at least I can be like, oh, I have one tattoo. Look.
Yeah, I want one on the bottom of my toe too.
Yeah.
But I want a smiley face. But on my
I just
second
feel like
big
it's so
toe.
expensive for so nothing.
Yeah, that's true.
So I feel like I should put it somewhere that's visible, but where? Maybe on my finger.
I don't know where I want mine.
Behind my ear, maybe.
Depends how big
Oh yeah. I really want one behind my ear.
as well. Behind the ear.
Pardon?
The shops is that way, right?
And would you get?
Yeah. Because we're over there before. Hi guys.
Hungry.
Me too. We're in the shops right now.
We had some.
But it's like
fries.
yeah.
And we didn't realize until afterwards that you could put tomato sauce.
I'll check the other one.
It was like a tap. It was so cool. I'm very sad.
That's okay. Now we're just getting butter and cheese and stuff for our lunch.
Toasty.
Approximately 3 p.m.
I'm so hungry.
It is 2:45. So by the time we get home, get stuff, it'll probably be 3:30.
Yeah, probably. Look, it's the things that we had in Germany.
In Deutschland.
In Deutschland.
In Deutschland.
Look how many juices there are.
I want to like crack.
What are they looking at?
You do the little thing above the A.
$3?
It's together. It's together.
Anyway.
Hi guys, we're home. Finally.
And we're gonna eat.
We're so hungry.
What time did I say?
So hungry.
Yes, around 3:30. Oh.
3 or 4.
3 or 4.
Yeah.
It's like 3:30.
No, that's
I
when.
said by the time we get home and eat, it'll probably be 3:30, but it's 3 or 4.
Alright, everyone get a plate.
This is our
Let
kitchen.
me get the pan out.
This is our pantry, fireplace, table, suitcases. Yeah. Our beds. There's like 4 singles, but they're like doubles. It's really cute.
This
Perfect
will
for us.
genuinely knock someone out.
Yeah.
Guess who I am?
Rapunzel.
You. Wait, what did she say? You would know.
Let's clear this table.
I can like see it.
Ryder.
Yeah, and she like does that with his hair. She like flips it off.
Who are you? And how did you find me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, there's no bread knife. We have to use this knife.
Oh.
The toothpaste
Is there like a
is
small
in the
sharp knife? Like serrated knife?
No.
Which butter should we use first? Blue or red, guys?
Red. Red it is. This.
Oh no, that's not butter. Do you guys smell this? Smell it.
I'll look it up. What's it called? Can
I
someone...
feel like it is butter. It's just weird butter.
Can you show me what it's called?
We tried searching up as kids for sweet dough.
Sweet dough.
It could be like.
That's not butter.
What about the blue one? Does the blue one smell better?
Oh, that smells so bad.
It doesn't smell that bad. It smells like apple cider vinegar or something.
But that's not butter.
This is what it is, guys. Oh, it smells so bad.
Okay, should we use oil then?
Yeah.
That's such a waste.
Guys, I think we should just use it.
So it's yeast.
Oh my god, it's yeast to make bread.
We should have looked it up. We should have done what happened. How was your plan?
That was dumb, see, I got that.
Hello? So guys, yummy. Yummy.
Guess what we're making, guys?
Pasta sauce and pasta, what could that be?
I think we might be eating pasta. Isla's playing
Hi, guys.
redemption.
We're eating salt caramel ice cream.
We didn't
Don't guess that, did we?
No, we didn't.
So, we got the ice cream from the ikea, which is our local supermarket. And it's like the best place on earth. Did you film in there or no?
She did.
Yeah.
A little bit, yeah. You wish you were there.
Yeah.
This is the salted caramel one and chocolate.
We're playing Empress Gum at the moment.
Oh yeah, and me and I are down. No, we're not down in the dumps. We've just happened to come last every night.
Should we make things interesting though?
I'm scared.
Not give our two worst ones. And they don't
No.
give their two best ones.
No, I don't want.
I like that idea.
No, make it interesting so it's more fair.
How about you guys don't swap and I just give Indy one?
Oh, we give one each. Like my.
Like you give me your worst and I give you my best and they go.
Okay.
I know you have banger cards and you're gonna come first this round.
Also luck, I guess.
Well, it depends what she got dealt.
Just
She got
depends.
dealt some banger cards right now.
My highest card is actually a bit pathetic.
Respectfully, Indy.
So respectful.
No. Oh hell yeah! You actually give me really good cards.
I'm glad.
Oh hell no! I've been missing out.
That went on the cards.
I've been missing. Oh my god, I've been missing out.
Okay, now we stop.
No, enough, baddies. No, enough. Let me get one more. Hell no. Okay, Megan, we can see the bottom of it. What?
Did miss out on a lot. Who put that down?
Me. I lost. I go first.
I go first.
Oh.
Oh.
Pass.
Pause.
I thought I was gonna win with that.
Pass.
Sorry guys. This game.
Oh, you won?
Yeah.
Oh, you. That's okay. That's okay.
No tactics, and this is why I lose.
It's so annoying that Lulu always goes after Indy as well, because you two always have the best card. Well, not this round. Not this round, but in previous rounds. Awesome. This video is 6.5 minutes long.
Okay, bye guys.
Pass.
Hey guys, it is 11:15.
Give me a whole slice.
And we're getting into, oh no, it's 11:26. and we're getting-
You know what? It's not that bad.
Let me try one.
Right, everyone.
The
Oh,
cheese is slapping.
What?
I like it.
yeah, the cracker is just
The cheese is slapping. Gothenburg. I think it's in that stadium.
Oh. That'd be cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna save my bit.
No, that was part of it. ASMR, ready?
Are you ready? That was good.
This is what my cheese on biscuit cheese sandwich looks like. This is literally like the soil in a drought, but you know. Bye.
Why is it not focusing on us?
Where's the toothpaste?
In
Oh.
bag somewhere.
Oh no, I fixed it.
I fixed it.
No.
I like went in.
No, that was my hand. I went like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love how we...
Bye bye.
This tap stinks.
What is wet all the time?
Wow.
Okay, in front of the camera. I got a blue one. You can't see it though. Green. Orange.
And I'll literally have also green and blue. Hi guys. Guess where we are?
Guess. Take a wild guess.
We're in Sweden, so we are at IKEA. Look how big it is. Hi guys, I'm going to tell you what I do and don't like about this. I kind of like how low these sinks are, although I think when you're brushing your teeth, it'd be difficult. But I do like how big this mirror is. And this little thing. How cool is that? Now I can see me. I don't like how this is like that. I feel like it just gets dirty in there. I like the taps, but I don't like this part. I like the black. I like that. I like those shower heads.
For a sec.
Now like this.
Oh, you know the shower would slap in that shower.
How cool this is, guys.
Oh, that's cool.
Right?
Is everyone's mood just instantly boosted now that we're in IKEA? Like, I love this place.
I like the low lighting.
Okay.
But I like this. That's nice. And the sink. And that lights. And the ovens are nice. Recycling. Black. That's a nice couch.
What do you think of the shoe racks?
Are these the shoe racks?
Yeah. I have
Those are actually really? They're kind of cool.
white.
Oh, you know, short girl needs that. Or just a tall man. Got some outdoor balcony. I like the barbecue. I like this. I don't like the tap. That's a fridge. Or maybe that's a freezer. That's a big fridge.
Sit down, you think it's gonna be nice, and what is that?
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
How do you feel?
I mean, it's alright for an outdoor couch, but it's still pretty bad.
You look like the main character with that light on you. I was like, damn, spotlight's on it. Rate this couch.
Oh, that one's worse. This one's worse.
That one.
Ew, disgust. Let's go in this one.
Oh.
Oh, this one's nice. This is nice. Rate this couch.
I'd rate this a solid like.
Put some. Oh, do you see it glitching on the?
Boys of Love Full Part 2.
And I can fall asleep right here, right now.
Dude, did I just like knee you in the thigh, bro?
Yeah, a little bit. Big wake up. Hey, Mr. Ray.
You guys look comfortable.
I was not expecting this couch to be so comfy. Welcome to my house.
Whoa! I love this.
Oops. What is this?
Here
It
we
is.
have
There's a house.
kitchen.
There's a house layout on the other side of that wall.
We should give the tour.
This is our kitchen.
This is the kitchen. This is where we eat our grass and vegan.
On Monday we're having
food.
vegetables, and Tuesday we're having chili con carne. On Wednesday we're having fish and bread.
Friday's tacos.
Taco and
And the last one, I'm guessing, is pot roast. It looks like.
Yeah, steak on Sunday.
And then this over here is where we eat. As you can see, we whip up some delicious
Pasta.
pasta. Always
Stew.
pasta. And I sleep here. And I sleep here. And Aaron and Isla sleep there with the babies. See? This is Aaron's bed and this is Isla's bed. The two little babies. I sleep there.
And then I just don't have a bed.
And then
This is Isla's best friend.
Aww.
Oh, it's all connected.
Oh.
And that's why I do my homework. Oh my god,
Oh yeah.
this is Rufus's best friend.
Oh really?
Yeah, he lives at our house.
What's he doing in Sweden?
I don't know, I guess one day.
this is my bed and that's Indy's bed.
Aww. Thank you. Oh, this is cool. What's inside?
Steak,
No food.
sausages,
Oh,
chicken,
yum.
salmon.
Yum. No.
Not yum.
That.
Stairs.
Oh, that's nice.
Let me climb up these stairs.
Yo, what the hell is this?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Yeah. I need this for the flight. For real. Upside down.
Funny with that name killer.
I need.
Oh yeah, Indy is comfortable.
Okay, I actually cannot close my eyes because I will.
I am about to fall asleep on this couch. It's so comfortable.
Have I had too much to drink? What's going on?
Yeah.
It's a joke. I haven't had nothing to drink. I feel like I'm in a dream.
Coffee machine. Coffee. I need that right now.